thanks for joining me for another unboxing. Apologies, no shave today, unfortunately, and I'll tell you why. It was my day off on Monday, and I dug 5 conifers out the front garden to make way for a fence, and I've done me back in. I've struggled in work today, which is Tuesday. I'm filming this Tuesday. I've struggled in work. There's no way I can stand up to have a shave for that long. I've had to take some painkillers. I took some tramadol, and I've had to put some deep freeze gel on my back because I've got a prolapse disc in my back, and when it moves it's agony. And but they won't operate because there's a 50-50 chance whether I'll walk again, so that's great. So yeah, I've had a bit of a bad day, but I've had a good day. So thanks for joining me, guys, and thank you so much, Jay Fett. This came today, guys. He said he wanted to send me something. Was it over Messenger? I think we spoke over Messenger, didn't we, Jay? He said, I want to send you something, so he asked for my address, and I was absolutely overwhelmed when I seen this today when I got home. So that's why there's no shaving video. So the comparison shave with the British Artisan will be on Friday as normal. I should be okay after a couple of days. So it's an early night for me tonight, and because of the feign, here we go. I haven't been drinking because I'm on painkillers. I'm on the tramadol. So the shaverage, it's a nice cup of Yorkshire tea in my Help for Heroes mug. Very good cause. And for those of you that don't know, that's what it is, Yorkshire tea. So that's what I'm having, guys. I can't believe I've just shown you a box of tea bags. Right, get on with it. And I had another surprise today as well. I'll get into that after the unboxing. Right, Jay, I've got Draper to help me. Mind you, I'm going to start it off with Draper. Oh, and apologies as well on the last video. I forgot to thank all you new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support and jumping on board. Welcome to the madhouse. Let's get into this. I haven't got a clue what's in it whatsoever, and I didn't ask. Hang on, it's upside down. Put it on the floor. Mrs. B can pick that up because I've got a bad back. Oh my god. Sorry, Jay. It's the packaging, mate. I mean, it's well packaged, but... Is there anything else in it? Just don't want to sound ungrateful, Jay, but just an observation. I know you said that packing wasn't, or wrapping wasn't your forte, but yeah, the size of the box. For that, can you find a smaller box? Oh, thanks, Jay. That's put a smile on my face. What was that? Was that a note? Hang on. Something just flew out. It's a note. I like notes. You're not a doctor, are you? You got doctor's handwriting. Dear Chris, thank you for the videos and the effort you put into making them. Thanks, Jay. They have been more than welcome addition into my routine, and I would like to show my appreciation by sending you this package. Sincerest respects, as always, my dear friend. Thank you so much, Jay. And Jay is a very dear friend of the channel, as of all of you are, but he's been with me as well as a lot of you are, right from the early stages, and he's stuck by me all the way, as a lot of you have as well. So thank you very much, Jay. Another one to keep. Right, good packaging on this. I must admit, it looks like a soap. It feels like a soap. It is a soap. Ooh. Declaration Grooming. Is that Cure et a piece? Or et a pieces? I've only got one soap of Declaration Grooming. Oh, that's nice. It's like a woody, earthy. Oh, this. I could be wrong, but I swear there's something a bit sweet in there. I'm going to have to look at the notes on that. Thanks, Jay. Yeah, you're right, Jay. It did leak a bit. Yeah, it has leaked a little bit, Jay, but there's barely anything going out of it. There's only been a little bit, mate. That's a really nice scent, Jay. It's unique. That is really nice. I'm going to look in the notes on that. I look forward to using that. Unfortunately, it's not going to be for a month. Because it's British Artisan Month. Thank you so much, Jay. I really appreciate that, mate. It's very kind. Thank you. Look forward to using that. Now, the second surprise I had was off the father-in-law. Thanks, Ron. Won't be watching. Should be watching, but he won't be watching. He dropped off a little package. A box of aftershaves. And I've got 5 miniatures. I'll show you the miniatures first, because I wasn't expecting these. Remember this, guys. Mandate. Now that's a blast from the past. We have is that Report? We have, I'm thinking this is gonna, it hasn't got Yardley on it, but I'm thinking that looks like the writing of gold, like Yardley Gold. It smells like Yardley Gold. So any of you guys remember these? I can't read that. And we have a little miniature travel size dupe eau de toilette EDT. Love this stuff. Nice everyday scent, that is. And we also have a bottle of Shulton, New York, London, Paris Blue Stratos, and it's full, guys. And I know these aren't the modern bottles, the modern ones you can get. This is old. He's had these donkey's years. Avon. This is beautiful. It's Avon Wildness, and it's a gorgeous vetiver. It's beautiful. Oh, it is. That is gorgeous. And we have Avon White Musk. This is beautiful as well. But can any of you, I know about the Blue Stratos, but because I know Avon's been going for donkey's years. Any of you guys know what roughly year these are going to be, because I haven't got a clue, but I would like to know. I would be interested to know. What's that say? Aftershave. I can't even read that. What's that say there, guys? Let me know if you can read it. So yeah, so it was another surprise. So from started off a really crappy day, it's turned out to be a good one, but I really struggled on delivery. Cheers, guys. So that's it. I just wanted to put something out there for you guys, because I feel like I've let you down with the shave, but there's no way I need to keep myself and get myself right for work today. I can't afford any more time off. I've had too much time off with illness and everything. So yeah, so back to normal, hopefully Friday. It should be. And thanks again, once again, Jay. I truly appreciate it, buddy. Thank you so much. I really look forward to using this. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you on Friday. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your week. Stay safe and have fun. I'll see you Friday, guys. Bye.